Introducing the boAt Stone 650 Bluetooth speaker. It is available in red color. It comes with power-packed pumping driver that delivers 10 watts of audio and signal-to-noise ratio of 65 dB, which results in an immersive sound quality. The sleek and exquisite IPX5 design is a water and dust resistant. It comes equipped with wired and wireless Bluetooth version 4.2 technology and can also connect to speaker via aux cable or TF storage. It holds up to 7 hours playtime backed by an 1800 mAh capacity lithium battery. It has the better compatibility to connect with the all Bluetooth devices. Its integrated multifunction controls make the user interface easier. The speaker comes in black, navy blue and red color. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.